Hello, welcome to our channel. We are happy to share habits that can make you stronger, healthier, more in control. Today's topic may feel uncomfortable. Cold showers. Most people avoid cold water. It feels shocking, it feels difficult. But inside that discomfort, there is power. Have you ever noticed how hard it is to step under cold water? Your mind resists. Your body pulls back. This is where change begins. The moment you step into cold water, your body reacts instantly. Breathing becomes deeper. Your heart rate increases. Your system wakes up. This is not stress. This is activation. Cold exposure improves blood circulation. Your body pushes blood to vital organs. Your system becomes more efficient. Then something powerful happens in your brain. Cold water triggers alertness. Your focus becomes sharper. You feel awake, fully present. No sleepiness. No fog. Then comes discipline. Every time you choose cold over comfort, your mind becomes stronger. You build control. You learn to face discomfort without fear. This carries into your daily life. You become more confident, more stable, more resilient. Cold showers also support your immune system. Your body adapts to stress better. Your resistance improves over time. Energy increases. You feel fresh, light, alive. This is not easy, but that is why it works. Because growth never comes from comfort. Start simple. A few seconds at the end of your shower. Then increase gradually. Step by step. Your body adapts. Your mind follows. And over time, something changes. You no longer fear discomfort. You control it. Because sometimes, the strongest version of you is built in cold moments. Thank you for watching. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe. Your support matters. Remember, your health is your greatest wealth. We will see you again in the next video. Stay strong, take care.